Egyptians are black. The real Egyptians are black. Because the real Egyptians, they are real Africans. So those people in Lower Egypt, you see in Cairo, Alexandria, and Falahins area, they were mixed between the Turkish, Mamluks, French, English, Romans. So those people who come to attack Egypt in that time, they couldn't come to Upper Egypt, to the south, which we still have the same color, our dark color or black color. So they couldn't mix with us.
So you would say that those are not the real Egyptians, right?
Earlier when we were talking about like the movies that they made back in the Western society, about like Egyptians looking blonde and fair skin, and like, come on, Egyptians, we are either tan skin or dark Nubians. We don't say African Americans in Egypt, by the way. We say Africans or we say Nubians. So to us, you are a Nubian.
So that's why people keep calling me Nubian Queen.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you are Nubian to us. You are Nubia. So to the Nubians, we are Egyptians because we are the new Egyptians.
The new Egyptians.
The Nubians are the native Egyptians.
The ancient,
they were the ones who built ancient Egypt.
Wow.
Who built the pyramids, who built ancient Egypt civilization, who invented Egypt, as I would say, were the Nubians.
Kule video esivule ngayo ikhulumi zami zikubeka cace ukuthi ama-Egyptian amnyama awakhanyi akona lawo wabonayo lawa khona lapha bathi akuwona amnyama amaGibhithe aweve kanje njengoba ubona na kule video sifuna ukuprove ukuthi ngabe baqinisile yini amnyama ngempela yini ngibala okunye sifuna ukuprove le ndawo kuthiwa iseGibhithe ngabe iseGibhithe ngempela yini kwenzakalani lapho ake singene kuyona right ngizocela ukuthi sifunde lana sifuna ukwazi ukuthi iGibhithe ikuphi nendawo right ngoba phela sekuyabangwa manje right iEgypt sina siyazi kuyile esiyazi ukuthi iphezulu right but manje ikhulumi zami zithi amaGibhithe ngempela ilabantu baseSudan ilabantu ekuthiwa ama-Nubians right ake sezwe iBhayibheli lithini kuthiwa lana yes in the Bible the land of Cush iland of Cush ila khona ini abantu baseSudan ngokwazi kwethu angithi ngokufundiswa kwethu iCush ila kuhlala khona abantu baseSudan then iGibhithe kuhlala amaGibhithe khona okay kuthiwa lana the land of Cush is consistently located to the south of Egypt nayizwe indaba kuthiwa the land of Cush is a south of Egypt okusho ukuthi iEgypt ingenhla iCush ingenzansi nayizwe indaba ngicela si-underline iEgypt ingenhla iCush ingenzansi ngicela sibuyele kwi-map right sesibuyele kwi-map kuthiwa iCush is a south of Egypt iEgypt ingenhla iCush ingenzansi now nansi ke trick la ikhona imap yaphambaniswa for example eSouth Africa besazi ukuthi se-south kanti se-north njengoba imap yaphambaniswa le ndawo eyi-north iyi-south uma ke kuthiwa iCush ise-south of Egypt kusho ukuthi i-north ile ndawo ekuthiwa ubani iNubia iSudan le ndawo le ebhalwe ngokuthi uCush bese kuzothi le kuthiwa iEgypt iCush so ikhulumi zami ziqinisile iGibhithe langempela iseSudan iGibhithe langempela iseSudan eduze kwase-Ethiopia amaGibhithe angempela namaPharaohs angempela ile ndawo le kuthiwa iseCush I hope izodlala le video amaGibhithe angempela kusiwona lawa kuthiwa se-Egypt laba bantu ngisazochaza ukuthi bavelaphi bezongena bezothatha izwe ngenkani ngokufohla right njengoba kuthiwa iEgypt ise-north iCush ise-south imap phela yaphambaniswa yabo uCush loya kahle kahle ula khona uEgypt uEgypt ula khona iSudan iGibhithe langempela ise-Nubia mekuthiwa eBhayibhelini iKush ise south of Egypt. If the Egypt esifundzwa yona alikho elinye ilizwe elingale south khona ulwandle yabo. Kodwa ngoba siyazi ukuthi imap yaphambaniswa iSouth ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Egypt, iNorth ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Sudan, okusho ukuthi iGibhithe langampela ise-Sudan. Now ake siveze ubufakazi-ke ukuthi lento iyiqiniso. Ngizoqala ngama-map, ake sibuka ama-map. So into esiyenzayo manje sesibuka ama-map amadala, right? Nansi iNubia nabo konke la kuphiki khona ukhuphuka. Naya le ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Gibhithe. Lithe iBhayibheli iKush ise south of iGibhithe. Le ndawo le kuthiwa iGibhithe ise-Kush lapho. Le ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Nubia la khona amaSudan, khona ne-Ethiopia eceleni kwayo ise-Gibhithe. Lona Gibhithe langampela lokho, right? Ake sibheke enye imap. Sizolokhu sibuka ama-map nje. La ake sibuke imap yango 1880. Naye indawo ekuthiwa ise-Sudan eseduze ne-Ethiopia. Yabo kubhala ukuthini lapho? Kubhala ukuthi Egypt. Kodwa wena wazi ukuthini? Wazi ukuthi ise-Sudan. Yabo kubhala yonke le ndawo igreen. Kwakuyise-Gibhithe lapha. Ise-Gibhithe langampela lapha. Le ndawo le ekuthiwa iKush ise south of Egypt. Okusho ukuthi iKush ile ndawo le ekuthiwa ise-Egypt. Bese kuzothi lapha amaSudan ibona amaGibhithe angampela. Yabo ake siqhubeke sithule obunye umfakazi. Ngifuna ukubuka imap yokugcina bese ngiveza nobunye umfakazi. AmaGibhithe angampela ilabantu baseSudan. iGibhithe langampela ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Sudan. iGibhithe iqala eSudan bese kuyehla. Yabo le ndawo le blank nakhona kwagcina sekuyise-Gibhithe ngobani ila khona esayicivilize khona kwakuyi-desert le, kwakuyi-Sahara desert le. Ila khona esasiza ukuthi sicivilize. Base bafika koNgxewankulu sebezosenza igcila. Namhlanje ke basahleli khona kulezi zindawo lezi. Right? Ake siveze obunye umfakazi. Akukwazi ukuthi ungangabukeka nje ngathi bese uthi omunye wethu. Ngeke mina ngiye lapha ko-Saudi Arabia, ngiye lapha ko-Turkey bese ngithi I'm one of them ngomtsinsi khona. Akukwazi ukwenzeka lokho. AmaGibhithe angampela ilabantu abalapha eSudan. Le ndawo leya ekuthiwa ise-Sudan ne-South Sudan iGibhithe leli. Bese kule ndawo ekuthiwa Egypt ise-Kush lapha. Labantu abagcwele lapha ko-Egypt, ko-Libya, ko-Algeria no Morocco bayafana ncamashi nabantu base-Saudi Arabia, nabantu base-Iran, nabantu base-Turkey. Abantu ababodwa lapha abangena lapha sekwenzeka i-civilization. Ukhumbula ukuthi ayisivelaza la ndawo. Basathi sesiqedile abasebeza koNgxewankulu bezoyidla. Base bathi nabo bayithina nabo. Nabo bangabomtsinsi nabo. Kodwa manga lawo uyababona nangendlela aba-acta ngayo. Uyabona nangendlela aba-acta ngayo towards abantu abamnyama. So iGibhithe langampela ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Sudan, South Sudan. iKush ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Egypt. Bese kuzoba i-Ethiopia ngale eceleni. Ibupho obunye ubufakazi obukhona ukuthi le ndawo ekuthiwa i-South Sudan ne-Sudan iGibhithe. iKush ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Gibhithe, ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Egypt. Was part of Nubia, was part of indawo ye-Sudan nayo. Right? But ibupho obunye ubufakazi obuvelayo ngeSudan ukuthi inhloko yeGibhithe iGibhithe. Kuthiwa lana Sudan has the most pyramids in the world. Nayizwe indaba ebesingayazi. Sudan has the most pyramids in the world with over 200 Nubian pyramids. With over 200 Nubian pyramids. Thina sikhule sazi ukuthi ama-pyramids awaseGibhithe. Thina sikhule sazi ukuthi ama-pyramids aseGibhithe kuphela. Kodwa iSudan edominate ngama-pyramids. Ibupho obunye ubufakazi obukhona. Ucathi yindaba e-Egypt iy'tethu ezikhona lapha kule ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Egypt, ise-Kush lapha. Kule ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Egypt. Ucathi indaba iy'tethu zibulewa amakhala. Why bewabulela amakhala if labantu abahleli lapha if bazi ukuthi vele zirepresenta bona? Ningaba kanjani sendaweni kodwa iy'tethu ziniphike? Ufakazi ukuthi zabaphika ngoba bayibulela amakhala. Ikhala lakhuluma ukuthi ubani. Why amakhala ebulewe kule stage? Ngoba bayazi akusibona abanikazi baleya ndawo. IGibhithe lise Sudan kuma Nubian. Leya ndawo abakuyona bathi iGibhithe was part of iGibhithe, iKush le. Right? Ake sibuke le video. Sibuke le stage, sibuke le video. Khona into ezoyikhuluma, khona into ozoyibona uma uyibukisisa kahle le video. Ngicela ukuthi sibuke le video.
Inhliziyo zethu
Akwazi ukuthi ungangabukeka njengathi bese uthi omunye wethu. Ngake mina ngiye lapha ko Saudi Arabia, ngiye lapha ko Turkey bese ngithi I'm one of them ngomtsinsi khona. Akwazi ukwenzeka lokho. AmaGibhithe ngampela ilabantu abalapha eSudan. Leya ndawo leya ekuthiwa iseSudan neSouth Sudan iGibhithe leli. Bese kule ndawo ekuthiwa Egypt iseKush lapha. Labantu abagcwele lapha ko Egypt, ko Libya, ko Algeria no Morocco bayafana ncamashi nabantu base Saudi Arabia, nabantu base Iran, nabantu base Turkey. Abantu ababodwa lapha abangena lapha sekwenzeka iCivilization. Ukhumbula ukuthi ayisivelaza la ndawo. Basathi siqedile basebeza koNgqiwankulu bezoyidla. Base bathi nabo bayithina nabo bangabomtsinsi nabo. Kodwa manga lawo uyababona nangendlela aba-acta ngayo. Uyabona nangendlela aba-acta ngayo towards abantu abamnyama. So iGibhithe lengampela ile ndawo ekuthiwa iseSudan, South Sudan. IKush ile ndawo ekuthiwa ise-Egypt. Bese kuzoba i-Ethiopia ngale eceleni. Right? Ngizocela ukuthi sibuke ivideo. Kune research kune skeleton esatholakala. Le skeleton ese one of the pharaohs. Bayamusha igama lakhe uFaro loyo ukuthi uShamai igama laye. Le skeleton esatholakala esa one of the pharaohs asemandulo. Right? Ababebusa iGibhithe. Le skeleton bebesicheck ukuthi esaluphi uhlanga. Ngicela ukubuka ukuthi kuvela ukuthini ukuthi esaluphi uhlanga.
But the CT scan has one more surprise for Alejandro. Shamai's ethnicity.
Well, they have just told me that Shamai have a Nubian feature, which means that their ruling family was probably Nubian, and that was unexpected.
Examining Shamai's anatomy closely, the thickness of his bones and the shape of his nasal cavity, the anthropologists think he was a black African, likely from neighboring Nubia. A huge revelation that challenges the prevailing image of the Egyptian ruling class.
We always thought the ancient Egyptian elite were Mediterranean type, and in this sense, Shamai is representing the society of the frontier, in which different ethnic groups were mixed. At the end, it doesn't matter the color of your skin. Shamai was Egyptian.
Ama-scientists ukuthi aye-check-a iskeleton. Kodwa adumalile ngesikhathi esethola ukuthi iskeleton se-one of the pharaohs eyayibusa iGibhithe kuvela ukuthi esomuntu omnyama. You can see ukuthi umlungu udumela uphoxekile. Ubeyitshela ukuthi labantu ekuthiwa baseGibhithe laba abakhanya abanenwele elulekile. Kanti no cha. iskeleton esikhomba ukuthi esomunye wethu noma esomuntu omnyama njengabantu baseSudan. Sicela ukuthi sibambe la. Siyabonga kakhulu.